Alex, wake up!
What time is it?
It is 8 o'clock. But look at the window.
Why? Is it raining? Raining?
No, it is not raining. It is snowing.
Snowing? Really? Yeah.
Yes. Look outside. It is beautiful. Everything is white.
Wow. You are right. There is a lot of snow.
The trees are white. The street is white. The cars are white.
It is a real winter day.
Mommy, Daddy, good morning. Good morning, my sunshine.
Good morning, Lily.
Look at the window. Snow! It is snowing!
Do you like the snow?
Yes, I love the snow. It is so white.
Can we go outside?
Yes, we can go outside.
Oh, Clyde.
Can we play in the snow? Can we make a snowman? We can make a snowman, but I have a better idea.
What idea? Tell me, Mommy.
Let's go ice skating. Ice skating? On the ice?
Yes. You have new skates.
Do you remember? Yes, my pink skates. I want to go skating.
Okay, but first, we need breakfast.
I am hungry. Let's eat breakfast fast.
It is very cold outside. We need a hot breakfast.
Yes, I am making oatmeal. Hot oatmeal is good for energy. I want oatmeal with strawberries.
We don't have fresh strawberries.
But we have strawberry jam. Yummy! Oatmeal with jam.
And what do we drink?
Coffee for you, coffee for me.
And for Lily?
Hot chocolate, please, Daddy.
Okay, 1 hot chocolate for Lily.
Alex, please get the milk from the fridge.
Here is the milk. It is cold.
Thank you. Now, let's eat. Eat slowly, Lily. The food is hot.
But I want to skate. I want to go to the park.
But first, we must eat.
And after breakfast, we must dress. It is freezing outside.
Yes, it is very cold. The temperature is -5 degrees.
Brr. -5. So we need warm clothes.
Very warm clothes.
Okay, Lily, it is time to dress.
I am ready.
First, we need socks. Where are your warm socks?
My wool socks, they are blue.
Good. Put on your socks. 1 foot, 2 feet.
My feet are warm now.
Now, pants. Put on your warm pants.
These pants are thick.
Yes, they are ski pants. They are waterproof. Now, a sweater. Which sweater do you want?
I want the pink sweater with the bear.
Here is the pink sweater. Put your arms up.
Up.
Good girl. Now the jacket. Where is your jacket?
It is on the chair. My purple jacket.
Put on your jacket. Zip it up.
Zip, zip, zip. Zip, zip. Look, Mommy, I am big now.
You look like a little marshmallow. You are very cute.
Are you ready, girls?
Look at me, Daddy. I have warm pants and a warm jacket.
You look very warm.
Where is your hat? Oh no, I forgot my hat.
Here is your hat. It is a white hat with a pom-pom.
I like this hat. Put it on, please.
Okay. The hat covers your ears.
And gloves? Do you have gloves?
I have mittens. Mittens are better.
Why are mittens better?
Because my fingers are together. They are warm.
Smart girl. Here are your mittens.
Okay, socks, pants, sweater, jacket, hat, mittens.
And boots.
Don't forget winter boots.
My boots are heavy. Ugh.
Yes, but they are strong. They are good for the snow.
That's Lily. Left foot, right foot.
Now we are ready. Let's go to the car.
It is cold. My nose is cold.
Get in the car quickly. The car is warm.
Buckle up, Lily. Safety belt on?
Click. Safety belt is on.
Okay, let's go. To the ice rink.
Look at the streets, Alex. Drive slowly. The road is slippery.
Don't worry, Anna. I am driving carefully. I have winter tires.
It is a winter wonderland.
Look at the trees. They have light coats.
Yes, the snow is on the branches.
It is so quiet and beautiful.
Are we there yet?
Not yet. 5 more minutes.
I see the park. I see the ice.
Yes, there is the skating rink. There are many people.
Is there a parking spot?
Look, over there, next to the blue van.
I see it. Good job, Anna. Hooray! We are here.
Stay close, Lily. There are many people.
Hold Daddy's hand.
Okay, sit down here. Let's change our shoes.
These rental skates are hard.
Yes, they are stiff. You must tie tight.
Can you help me, Anna? My fingers are cold.
Okay, I will help you. Pull the laces. Tight.
Ouch. Too tight.
Sorry. Is that better?
Yes, that is good. My foot is stable.
Now, Lily, let's put on your pink skates.
I can do it.
You can try. Put your foot in.
It is hard. Help me, Mommy.
Okay, push your heel down. Push, push, push. Good.
Are we ready to go on the ice?
Yes, I am ready. I want to skate fast.
Not too fast, Lily. Be careful. The ice is slippery.
Let's go.
Walk like a penguin.
Waddle, waddle, waddle. Like a penguin.
Okay, who is first?
You go first, Alex. You are strong.
Okay, watch me. 1 step, 2 steps.
How is the ice?
It is very slippery.
Be careful. Okay, Lily. Give Daddy your hand.
I am scared, Mommy.
Don't be scared, Noah.
I have you. Hold my hand tight.
Okay, Daddy. 1 step. Whoa! Whoa!
Easy, easy. Bend your knees.
Yes, Lily, look at your knees. Bend them a little bit. Like this?
Yes, like that. That is better for balance.
Now, Anna, come on. Come to us.
I am coming. Oh, it feels strange. Don't look down. Look at me.
I am looking at you. Okay, I am on the ice. We are all on the ice.
My feet want to go apart.
Keep your feet together, Lily. Let's move slowly. Left, right, left, right.
I am doing it.
Yes, you are skating.
You are doing a great job, Lily.
Look at that boy. He is very fast.
Yes, he is fast, but we are slow. Slow is safe.
Alex, watch out! A fast skater is coming!
Whoa, he is very close. That was scary.
Let's go to the center. There is more space.
Are you sure? There is no wall in the center.
We don't need the wall. We have each other.
Are you sure? There is no wall in the center.
Alex, be careful. Don't show off. Look.
Whoops. Whoa. Oh, no.
Daddy fell down. Alex, are you okay?
I am okay. The ice is very hard.
And very cold.
You look funny, Daddy. You are sitting on the ice.
Yes, I am sitting.
It is a nice break. Can you stand up?
I think so, but it is slippery.
Put your hands on the ice. Push up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, up.
Be careful, Daddy. Don't fall again.
I will be careful. No more tricks on one leg.
Ooh.
Are your pants wet?
Yes, my pants are wet and cold.
Shake the snow off. Shake, shake, shake.
Okay, I am clean now. Let's continue.
Mommy, I fell too, like Daddy.
Are you hurt, Lily?
No, it is soft. My pants are thick.
High five, Lily. We are the falling team.
The falling team.